Hello everyone! Do you know that your typing skills can earn you $30 per hour or even more, all from the comfort of your home? Yes, you heard it right. No experience needed. In this digital age, opportunities to earn online are countless, and typing jobs are one of the simplest methods to start with. They come in different shapes and sizes, and cater to a wide range of skills and experience levels. You could be transcribing audio or video content, writing blog articles, or even crafting YouTube scripts. Or perhaps you could be building something entirely your own. The potential earnings are enticing, and the best part is you can get started with no prior experience. So if you're ready to dive into the world of online typing jobs, let's get started. Let's start with level 1, which is transcription jobs. Transcription is a simple job that requires you to type out what you hear from an audio or video file. It's a straightforward task that doesn't require any previous experience, making it an excellent entry point for anyone looking to tap into the world of online typing jobs. Now let's delve a little deeper into what transcription jobs entail. Essentially, you're provided with an audio or video file, and your task is to convert that spoken content into written form. This could range from interviews, podcasts, lectures, to even YouTube videos. The beauty of transcription jobs is the flexibility they offer. You can work whenever you want and from wherever you want, as long as you have a reliable internet connection and a decent pair of headphones. Now let's talk about the earning potential. While it varies from platform to platform, a general ballpark figure for beginners is anywhere between $8 to $15 per audio hour. An audio hour is not the same as a working hour. It refers to the length of the audio file you're transcribing, and depending on your typing speed and accuracy, it could take anywhere from 2 to 5 hours to transcribe one audio hour. So, don't be disheartened if it takes a bit longer in the beginning. Like any other skill, it gets better with practice. Moving on, let's highlight a couple of popular transcription websites. Rev.com, for instance, is a well-known platform in the transcription world. They pay you for transcribing audio or video content, and you can earn anywhere from $30 to $110 per minute of content transcribed. Another option is Scribey.com. Here, you can transcribe shorter audio segments, and while they pay about 20 cents per audio minute, there's an opportunity to level up and become a reviewer, earning up to $30 per audio hour. With transcription jobs, you can start earning just by typing out audio content. It's simple, flexible, and a great stepping stone into the world of typing jobs. So why not give it a go? Moving on to level 2, we have freelancing. This level opens up a wider scope of typing jobs that you can apply for. Freelancing is all about selling your skills and services to clients on a project-by-project basis. It's like running your own mini business where you're the boss. Think about it, you have a skill, typing, and there are countless people out there who need that skill. Maybe a busy entrepreneur needs someone to write their blog posts, or a YouTuber needs someone to transcribe their videos. That's where you step in as a freelancer. Now, where do you find these people who need your typing skills? Enter the world of online freelancing platforms. Websites like Fiverr, Freelancer, and Upwork connect freelancers with clients who need their services. On these platforms, you can create a profile showcasing your typing skills and apply for typing jobs that interest you. You can find all sorts of typing jobs, from writing blog articles and YouTube scripts to data entry and transcription services. The beauty of freelancing is that you can set your own rates. If you're quick and efficient, you could easily make more than $30 per hour. Plus, as you gain more experience and positive reviews, you can increase your rates even further. But remember, freelancing is not just about making money. It's also about flexibility and freedom. As a freelancer, you get to choose the projects you work on, set your own schedule, and work from anywhere you want. You're not tied down to a 9-to-5 job, and you're not limited to one type of work. So, if you're someone who enjoys variety and independence, freelancing could be a great fit for you. Freelancing gives you the freedom to choose your projects and potentially earn more. It's an excellent way to utilize your typing skills. And who knows, you might even discover new skills and interests along the way. So, why not give freelancing a shot? You've got nothing to lose and a whole world of opportunities to gain. And finally, we have level 3, creating your own content. Why type for others when you can type for yourself? This level is all about using your typing skills to create something entirely your own. It could be starting a YouTube channel or a blog. The potential here is vast. It's not just about typing. It's about sharing your ideas, your knowledge, your passion with the world. And the best part? You control your earnings. Unlike transcription or freelancing, where you're paid a fixed amount, creating your own content means the sky's the limit. The more your content resonates with people, the more views or reads you get, the more money you make. It takes effort, dedication, and time, no doubt. But the rewards can be immense, so why not take that typing speed and put it to work in a way that truly reflects you? Creating your own content gives you the power to control your earnings. It's the ultimate level of typing jobs. And that's it. 3 levels of typing jobs that you can start right now from home. We've explored transcription jobs where you can earn by typing out audio and video content. We've delved into the world of freelancing, where you can apply your typing skills to various tasks like writing blog articles or YouTube scripts. And we've discussed the idea of creating your own content, where you can build something truly unique and potentially profitable. Just imagine, earning upwards of $30 per hour, all from the comfort of your own home. No experience needed, just your typing skills and a dash of dedication. It's a world of opportunities waiting for you to seize them. So, are you ready to type your way to success? Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Until next time, happy typing.